Hugo was a small hedgehog who lived under an old oak tree. He loved the daytime when the sun was bright and warm. But when the sun went down, Hugo felt afraid. The darkness made him nervous. Every evening, Hugo would hurry home before dark. He would close his eyes tight and hide under his soft blanket. "I wish the sun would never go away," he whispered to himself. One night, Hugo heard a gentle voice outside his burrow. "Why are you hiding, little one?" It was Olivia, a kind old owl. She sat on a branch above Hugo's home. Hugo peeked out carefully. "I'm afraid of the dark," he said in a small voice. Olivia smiled. "The dark is not empty, Hugo. Come with me. I want to show you something special." Hugo took a deep breath and stepped outside. The night was dark, but Olivia stayed close to him. "Look up," she said softly. Hugo looked up at the sky. The sky was full of stars. They sparkled like tiny diamonds. Hugo had never noticed them before. "They're beautiful," Hugo whispered. "They're always there," Olivia said. "The darkness lets you see them." Olivia pointed with her wing. "That bright one is called the North Star, and those stars make a pattern called the Big Dipper." Hugo listened carefully. The stars seemed like friends now. Night after night, Hugo came out to watch the stars with Olivia. She taught him the names of many constellations. Hugo began to feel safe in the darkness. The stars were always watching over him. Soon, Hugo didn't need Olivia to come with him anymore. He would lie on his back in the soft grass and look up at the stars. He even learned to find his way home by following the North Star. Hugo made a new friend too. A little mouse named Mia was also afraid of the dark. Hugo remembered how scared he used to feel. "Don't worry," he told her gently. "I'll show you the stars." Hugo took Mia outside and showed her the beautiful night sky. Her eyes grew wide with wonder. "The stars are amazing," she said. Hugo smiled. He was happy to share his special discovery. Now Hugo loved the nighttime just as much as the day. He wasn't afraid anymore. The darkness wasn't scary. It was the perfect time to see the stars. And the stars always made him feel safe and happy.